Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to do the distance formula and the midpoint formula. So, we have worked in the past, but we're going to do 2 classes on this because I believe that this is probably going to confuse you a little bit in the beginning. When you got a grid done out like this, okay, we label it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's nothing special about the number 4, it's just the one I'm choosing. And this will go down -1, -2. Okay, so let's say I've got 2 points. So point A, I'm going to say, is 1, 2, and point B is 4 -2. Okay, 4 -2. So I need to get the distance between these two. Well, first of all, I need to know how to put this in. That's the x coordinate, that's the y coordinate. This is the x coordinate, and this is the y coordinate. Okay? So I'll make that y even more obvious. So for the A, the x coordinate, I go across 1 and I go up 2. So that's where they meet. That's 1, 2. That's my point A. My point B is 4, 2. 4 -2, sorry. So 4 and then to -2, and our point 4 -2. This is first year stuff that we're revising now. Now, the distance obviously is the distance between that. So if I'm just going to join this up, as you can see, I've come prepared with my ruler. The midpoint is obviously the midpoint. The distance is obviously the distance between them. We need a formula in which to get that. So, distance formula is given as follows. Distance, this is on page 247 in your book as well, in case you're confused, is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now, you're going, what the hell is x2, x1, y2, y1? Well, we go back up to this point here. x1, y1, x2, y2. That's all you got to do. We could have done the B points as x1, y1, x2, y2. Just remember the same numbers beside each one. You get the same answer. Right, x2 is 4. x1 is 1 squared. y2 is -2. y1 is 2, so it's -2 there. Squared. Step by step. Harry, I'm thinking about you when you're not doing step by step. That is plus -4 squared. Everybody's got a calculator. -4 squared is 16. That distance is square root of 25, which is 5. Okay? That's it done. There's nothing else that you're going to be given here that's going to cause you any more confusion than that. Midpoint. So, when it comes to distance, we have 2 points there, A and B. That's what the distance formula is for that. It's 2 lines, parallel lines, either side of the A and B. So, the midpoint is as follows. The formula for that is x1 plus x2 over 2. And that's y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay? And bracket it. Because the midpoint is going to be a point. So it's going to end up in brackets. x1 is, we go back up, as you can see. If I go slightly back up, it's 1. x2 is 4. y1 is 2. y2 is -2. So plus minus is a minus. And that's over 2. 5 over 2 and 0 over 2. which is the same as 2.5. We don't have to change into that, and 0. You would expect by my graph, which is a terrible graph, it should have been, it's a bit slanty, it should look like that, and that's pretty much it. You should be able to tell by your graph. That's all there is to any of this. All. You have got to be able to do the checkpoints for the following. You got to be able to plot. You got to be able to find distance, and you got to be able to find the midpoint. Now, you might have to go back over this video a few times, and that's fair enough, but you'll get your head around it in the end. Given that it's the very first topic, this is going to be what I want for day 1. Yeah, so that's Tuesday. I want you to do the question 1 to 9 on day 1. Yeah, so Tuesday. And on Wednesday, I want you to do question 10 to 17. I want this to be interactive. If you got a question, you ask me questions. If there's a lot of questions coming back the same, I will post all these answers up on YouTube. Check the back of the book to check that your answers are correct when I post them up on Teams, not YouTube. Hopefully that explains it. Hopefully there's no confusion. And if you find anything I could do to help these videos, feel free to say.